Now we are going to take a look at what we call the parent-child relationships in SOLIDWORKS. When new SOLIDWORKS users first hear the term parent-child when creating their models, their first thought is, this is going to be difficult to understand. However, the opposite is true. Parent-child relationships are very easy to comprehend as long as you understand that a child cannot exist without its parent. In SOLIDWORKS, features are normally built upon other existing features. For example, if we examine the sketch used to create the Revolve feature, the sketch is the profile for the Revolve feature. Without the sketched profile, the Revolve feature cannot exist. So in this example, the sketch is the parent and the Revolve feature is the child. Now let's take a look at another one. But before we do that, let's take the rollback bar and roll it back to the beginning of the model to see how the model was created. We have the Revolve feature and then one cut extrude hole, followed by a circular pattern of the hole, along with 3 fillets. The fillet number 3 is the fillet that appears on both sides of the 3 holes. Without the holes, the fillet cannot exist. So it's safe to say the fillet is a child of the parent, which is the hole. Now let's take a look at another one. Circular pattern. The circular pattern cannot exist without the cut extrude feature. And the cut extrude feature cannot exist without the Revolve feature. In most cases, parent-child relationships are easy to understand. However, as parts become more complex, the parent-child relationships may not be as easy to understand. So to help clarify this, you can right mouse click on a feature. For example, if I right mouse click on circular pattern 1 and select parent-child, a dialog box appears. Now, I right mouse clicked on circular pattern. There are 2 parents of the circular pattern, cut extrude 1 and Revolve 1. Without these 2 parents, the child cannot exist. Then on the right-hand side of the dialog box, fillet number 3 is a child of the circular pattern. Without the circular pattern, fillet 3 cannot exist. It's also important to note you can right mouse click on a feature, and in this drop-down list you can edit the feature, suppress, roll back, delete, along with a few other items. Now in closing, it's important to note that you can only view the relations. You cannot edit them. And you also cannot reorder a child feature before its parent.